Hey guys, and welcome to another Wind Up Wednesday. Saffron, why are you holding a knife?
Because I'm very angry about last week's episode and how it went down.
A little bit threatening. Just
be warned.
she's just standing there with a knife. Yeah, last week's episode was pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. It was tense. There was a lot of arguing behind the scenes.
Yeah.
But
that highlight was watching Chris nearly throw up. So I may have lost.
Genuinely.
But worth it.
Taste the cream. Oh, it's horrible, man. Taste the cream. Yeah, I hope you're well. Hope you're good. Saffron, what are we doing today?
So we are doing flower tower, where we have built a tower out of flour. We have put midget gem on top, and we have our knives, and we have to take it in turns and cutting a bit of the flour away at a time. Now the object is to try and get to your opponent to make the flower tower full. So you can take as much or as little away as you possibly can, but the person who makes it full loses, and as a consequence has to retrieve the midget gem using their mouth.
Okay, so knives ready.
This is why I have a knife, not actually to stab Chris, just FYI.
Let's give this a go.
Ladies first, Chris.
I think that's more of an insult to you, Saffron.
Oh.
Big cut.
Okay.
Big cut.
Got a bit on the table, very small. I'm so tense every time. Oh.
Whoa, Saffron's got a big cut.
Yeah, going for it.
Tactics now. You go big, you go small.
Oh, you have done such a steady hand.
Sneeze.
Hello. I'm sure that's all you can breathe. Shaking. Okay. Oh, so tough.
You actually even cut.
No, you just took the mick out of me and then did the smallest part.
I don't know if you can see that, but the midget gem has buried itself within the flour, which means, Saffron, you have to retrieve that midget gem with just your mouth, and it is hiding.
Where's it gone? I cannot find it. Have you hidden it?
I've not touched it. What?
Okay.
Get your face in!
I can't breathe.
Last week you saw Chris being sick. This week, Saffron.
Oh, it's gone up my nose. Genuinely, have you taken it out?
I haven't taken it out, honest. Well, there you have it.
Genuinely, like it's just so stuck to my mouth.
Ah, nice. Look at that. Lovely. Actually, just the thought of...
I'm so gutted. I really thought I was going to get you on this one. And it was my idea to do this as well. The gutting thing about it.
Saffron, what's that score? What's that make it now? What's that make it now? 11, what, sorry? 11-7. 11-7. Oh, that's such a beautiful sound. 11-7.
Yeah.
See you later, guys!
Bye!